I'm gonna be really honest. It has been a week since I've been down here. Okay, so I'm gonna give like a rundown of what I've been doing so far because I have not recorded any of this. I need somewhere for my laptop. Okay, so this is what we've been doing so far. We started cleaning the head just around it. Same with all my other parts. Right here we're cleaning the block. It was all like black and greasy. So much oil, and we clean it all up. Now it looks better. That's for something else, but this is how it looks. It used to be all dirty. Now it's almost clean. There was a gasket that was stuck on there and we had to scrape it off. It was a pain. And then we finally took out the subframe, have the new subframe there. We're gonna transfer those stuff to this. We probably already did, or my dad probably already did. Have my transmission, my axles and all that. I took my bumper off so it'd be easier to get in the bottom. Took my headers and Cadillac off. What else? To manifold. Oh, so my clutch is worn, so we just got the new one today. I switched my hubcap, or not my hubcap, my oil cap for this one. I just think it looks better than that purple one, or red, pink. I just woke up, so that's why I sound pretty tired. It's like 1 p.m. Almost at a.m. But yeah, I'm just gonna clean more stuff, and I should be putting the engine back in soon. Hopefully soon. I actually came outside to steal the one from the Civic. This is the one I had on. Which one should I do? I'm gonna check. I'm gonna come back with this one. Doesn't look too bad. I don't know. I'll compare the videos and tell me which one looks better if you're watching this. Actually, that's how I know people will be watching these videos. What I'm actually gonna do is clean the engine bay first. Funny story, I was taking off the bumper and there's like a wasp nest right there. So I hit it down and then like I came back because I like put the tool away that I used to hit it with, and then the wasp nest was gone. Like, bro just really dipped. But yeah, I'm gonna clean the engine bay because it has a bunch of grease. Let me try to open it. It's all mainly down there, but I'm gonna just try and clean it up as best as I can because this thing is filthy. And I really need to get this fixed, and this right here. Like, it's so bad. Well, I gotta work on getting it running first. Okay, so I kind of finished. This is how it looks now. It looks a little cleaner. Same with this. There's so many chips, but yeah, it looks better. Compared to this side, where it's a little more dustier. But I did go and spray simple green everywhere in spots that I could. But yep, I got this side done basically. It is now 6 o'clock. I went ahead and covered up all the hoses and stuff that were open. So now I sprayed simple green like everywhere, so it does look a little better. I finished scrubbing earlier. Now I just sprayed it all in simple green. I'm gonna use a power washer to rinse it off after letting it sit. But yeah, after this I should be done with the engine bay.